Kung Fu belt grading event was held on Sunday evening at Bokajan Sports Association Complex. It was held under the initiative of Karbi Anglong Kung Fu Sports Association. Karbi Anglong Kung Fu Sports Association instructor Sifu Rajkumar chaired the event, which was attended by Dr. Dimbeswar Bhorali, Bijoy Hazarika, Suraj Mahanta, Dipen Sangma, and several other local eminent persons.
Kung Fu Sports Association আমি যি বেল গেটিংছ কৰোঁ প্ৰত্যেক ছমাহৰ মূৰে মূৰে বেল গেটিংছ কৰোঁ। আজি কাৰ্বি আংলং ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট কং ফু স্পৰ্টছ এছ'চিয়েশ্যনৰ উদ্যোগত আমি যোৱা 2/5/2022 চনত আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিছিলোঁ আৰু আমি বেল এক্সাম শেষ কৰিছিলোঁ 4/5/2022 আমি বিশেষ কিবা কাৰণত আমি বেল দিব পৰা নাছিলোঁ, সেইবাবে আমি স্থগিত ৰাখিছিলোঁ। আজি আমি বেল গেটিংছ আজি ডিষ্ট্ৰিবিউট কৰিছোঁ।
Several leaders who had completed their recent level of learning were promoted to the next grade. 7 learners were given yellow belt, 47 promoted to orange belt, 9 promoted to green belt, 11 to blue belt, 1 to purple, 3 to brown, and 1 to black belt. Altogether, 69 learners were graded to the next level. The exam for the learners promoted today was from 4 to 6 May 2022. The result was delayed due to some reasons. Ananterang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.